Burke and Wills never managed to see this, but Zave and Jess have. So reconsider who the most legendary explorers are.
The road has very quickly and without little notice become single lane and very dodgy. Not one way, just single lane.
After the hot springs and a look at the homestead, we decided to press on towards the border, which for us basically means drive as far as we can today and then as far as we can tomorrow and hope to make it there. Sun's going down, so we stopped at a well-reviewed rest stop just on the side of the road. Not too busy, but there are other people here. Just before the light disappears, I'm going to look for anything to burn.
I don't care what it tastes like, it's food, so it's delicious, but it actually does taste really good.
No, that leaves too much dead space. Too small stickers. There?
Sure.
Central. The first of many Northern Territory stickers. That'll do. Yes, we're back on the dirt. Barely any corrugations.
Barely any corrugations. We are on our way to the border. We've just passed through Borroloola and we're hoping to get to Hell's Gate by the end of the day.
With that, we've left the Northern Territory and entered the third and final state of this half of the trip, Queensland. Here we go, another adventure.
We've made it to Hell's Gate Roadhouse in Queensland, our first stop.
It's pretty good. Like grass everywhere. Busy, but there's enough space for everyone. Good amenities.
Yeah, the amenities
Internet.
are nice. I don't think it was too expensive either. How much was it?
$14 per person per night, I think.
Yeah, not too bad.
Which is pretty good for all of this.
That's for unpowered. Powered was full.
Yeah, so the Northern Territory we did in about 4 days, just right across it, west to east. And we had a lot more planned. We were going to spend 2 or 3 weeks around the top, checking out all the national parks and the coast and everything. But it didn't work out that way with the lockdowns, so I feel a bit shortchanged because, yeah, I was really excited for it. But we didn't get to do it for the best of reasons, so I can't feel too bad, really. And now we sort of have a couple extra weeks in Queensland and only inklings of a plan. So yeah.
Pretty exciting plan though.
We'll let you know what's ahead soon.
I can put it in the top corner up here.
And the first Queensland sticker. Hell's Gate Roadhouse was awesome. Off today, first stop is Burketown, probably get some more fuel, stock up for a few groceries, then Karumba, and then we're on to Cairns. And from Cairns, we're going north right to the tip. So because we had 2 weeks to do Darwin and Litchfield, that's all getting reallocated, and we thought, well, we got to go somewhere north. So we're going to go up Cape York and up the old telegraph track, and then probably down the service roads. But yeah, we'll spend almost the full 2 weeks there. It's going to be incredible. Standing under some nice mango trees in the town centre of Burketown. Nice shady spot with lots of grass and some cool old machines to look at, and quite a cool old visitor centre. But unfortunately it is closed apparently, so we'll go and see some stuff around the town. There's an artesian bore, and yeah, then get back on the road and hopefully be in Karumba tonight. This is what's left of the boiler works just out of Burketown. Lots of metal, it's pretty cool. I'm not actually sure what a boiler works is, but yeah, neat. I can try and pick this up, it's so heavy.
We've just been chilling in Burketown for a little bit.
Went down the river and watched the fishermen. Fisherman!
Hey!
There he is, film him, fisherman.
He's trying to call it for the bingo.
That's calling it for the bingo.
It's cheating. We
No,
just
they
went and
can't.
talked to those fishermen.
But now we're going to go look at that bore, get some fuel, and then head on to Normanton tonight, because every caravan park, all 5, every single one in Karumba is booked out.
For unpowered sites.
Except for...
Oh, there was one caravan park that informed us they had a single site left, but it was the worst site in the park, and that they didn't recommend staying there. So we are at the thermal spring. It's about, what, 20 meters from the car park? It's not a walk at all. Caution, hot water.
Oh, it's hot, like really hot.
Oh, it is.
So in the early 1900s, they used this bore to build a bathhouse, and they used the water mixed with cold water because it is really hot for showers. And a newspaper article says, after many years travelling this dusty country, ending your day with a warm shower is pure bliss. And I couldn't agree more.
So we've arrived in Normanton and we're staying at the caravan park. It's cheap and cheerful, but it's fine. But we are off to the pub for dinner now.
First thing in the morning, we're leaving Normanton to head into Karumba. See the coast on the Gulf for the first time, should be pretty exciting. And then we're off to somewhere in between here and Cairns for the night. We have no idea where, but somewhere. This is the ocean on the Gulf of Carpentaria, just outside of Karumba. Burke and Wills never managed to see this. Zave and Jess have. So reconsider who the most legendary explorers are.
We left Normanton this morning and took a little detour to Karumba, see the ocean.
It was muddy, but it's still pretty cool to see the sea on the Gulf. Worth it. Didn't see any crocodiles though. Next stop will probably be wherever we set up for the night in a couple of hours, and then on to Atherton tomorrow.
On our way up to Cairns tomorrow, we've stopped at Mount Garnett for the night. We're just in the little area behind the BP. They let people camp here if they buy something at the Roadhouse, which is cool. Yeah, they've got a toilet block with a shower in it. I mean, personally, I wouldn't shower in the shower, but good on them for providing it. Did you have a look at it?
Yes, pretty gross.
Yeah.
Well, if you can hear that, this camp is like right opposite the a church that is loudly singing their hymns and praises. But shout out to the Mount Garnet Church Choir for entertaining us tonight.